In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Intuit account information from TurboTax. Whether you need to change your email, password, phone number, or update your name and address, everything happens through the Intuit Account Manager. Let's walk through it step by step so you can make updates confidently and get back to your TurboTax session without losing momentum. First, sign in to the Intuit Account Manager using your current TurboTax credentials. If you're already signed into TurboTax, the quickest way is to look for your profile icon or the gear-shaped settings icon. Select that, then choose Manage Your Intuit Account. This will open the Intuit Account Manager in a new browser window, so don't worry, your TurboTax work stays open in the background. Once you're in the Account Manager, you'll see several sections designed to keep your information organized. If you're updating your email address, user ID, password, or phone number, go to the Sign In and Security section. If you need to change your name, mailing address, or other personal details, look for the Profile section. You might also notice areas like data privacy and products and billing, which are helpful for reviewing how your data is handled or checking subscription and payment information. To make a change, select the specific field you want to update, like email address or phone number. Enter the new information carefully, then select Save. For security, you may be prompted to confirm your identity. Intuit typically sends a confirmation code to your existing email or phone number. Have access to that original contact method, and when the code arrives, enter it promptly to verify the change. If you don't see the message right away, check your spam or junk folders, and remember that codes often expire after a short time, so it's best to use them as soon as you receive them. After you've saved your updates, you can close the Intuit Account Manager window. You'll return to your open TurboTax session automatically. Because your Intuit account is shared across Intuit products, your changes will carry over wherever you use that account, helping keep everything in sync. That's it. By signing in, navigating to the right section, making your edits, and confirming your identity when prompted, you can quickly keep your account details accurate and secure. If you're unsure which section to use, remember, Sign In and Security covers your login and contact methods, while Profile is where your personal details live. When you're done, just close the window and continue your work in TurboTax with confidence.